Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and I'm Dennis. And today's video is on a little Argus light meter, and you can attach this to your cold shoe, which is what you're going to use most of this cameras on. I don't know that you would use it on many cameras that have a hot shoe, but if you do, you could put it on that also. And so what you've got on top here, your light comes in through here, of course. And then you set this dial here inside this little U cutout here is your ASA numbers, 1 to 400. Or no, that's not it. Right there. It's this little tab here. I'm sorry. Can't see upside down. This little tab here is how you adjust your ASA, whether it's 100, 400, 200, 800. I'm not real sure how high it goes, but I'm sure it goes to 800. Yeah, there's 800. Looks like it goes to 800. Here is where you see your little needle inside. And so wherever the needle sits, then I don't know if you can see this little arrow. It's on the, it says shutter settings. But anyway, it's on the outside dial. And so you take that little arrow and line it up with the needle. And then you can go back here and see your stops and everything and your speed. So right now, if I had that diamond lined up on the needle, it would be telling me that I could shoot 100 speed at f11, 50 at f8, and 300 at f16. And it goes down to 10, looks like. And so that's how that works. And so what I've been using it on is my Isolate. I just put it up here and then let it figure everything. Now I have used that on this, but the last time I was out, it was I think it was during the pretty much late morning, and the sun was coming up and it was a bright day. And so it basically come out to like shooting the Sunny 16. So I don't know how much good it did me on that situation, because it pretty much stayed the same almost all through the roll. But I'll show you some pictures. But it seems like it's working. The time I did use it, like I say, it kind of come out to Sunny 16 rule. So it wasn't a real good gauge whether it was working or not, but I was using it the way it's supposed to be used. And so it appeared to be working. I've got some colored film in this camera now, and so I will just keep it on there and give it a try. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed finding out a little bit about the Argus light meter. I didn't purchase this. It come with a camera that I bought. And so that's how you can end up with a lot of good little items you can use. But anyway, hey, if you could hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, certainly would be appreciated. And also, give the video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. It really helps the channel. And we're trying to get pushed on to that 1,000. And when we hit that 1,000, we might have some old camera giveaways that I have laying around here. I have too many that I can't use, and at my age, There's no sense keeping them on a shelf. Grab your camera, some film, and get out and take some pictures. And I will see you in the next video.